This is a third floor walkout, fourth floor walkout, 3 fly up. And it has 2 entrances. Beautiful kitchen, granite counter. Right now it's darker, it's like 7 p.m. almost. This is east. Heat and water is included. This is the bathroom. Beautiful tile, nice floor, full-size appliances. This is a living room area with ceiling fan, large closet with overhead, exposed brick wall. This is a room here, exposed brick wall with large closet. It's a queen size bed. It's another room here. That fits a king size bed. Or you can use that as a living room. And there's an extra closet over here with overhead. So altogether, there's like 3 large closets in the whole apartment. And this is west. This is west, First Avenue. The Q train, all the trains are here. It's great, the shop and all that. And this is another entrance over here of the apartment.